Hi, this is B from Sorcery Soap, and I get a really big surprise today. I received a box in the mail, and I just thought it was another box of, I don't know, a butter or something sitting there, and I walked past it like a bunch of times. And as it turns out, it was, and I'm waiting, so I haven't even opened it yet. Turns out it was this. So I'm going to open it here. So this is from Cheeky Goat Soapery by Whitney, and very, very fun. Like, this is just fun, every bit of it, every which way. So she sent me a card and she handwrote some things in here, which I'm not going to share. But her handwriting is phenomenal. Tells you a lot about a person if they have nice handwriting. Mine is a little sloppy, so we're not going to talk about that. And then her business card, Cheeky Goat Soapery, Whitney Schneider, alchemist and soapstress. Very clever. And then it tells you more information on the back and how to get in touch with her. And then black paper, which I love. And the smell, the word smell is such a weird word, but the scent is very lovely. Just opening the box makes me excited. We have little muslin bags. Okay, ready? Oh. Artisanal handmade soap. Colored labels, pretty clever. A little earth. Oh, yum. Super, super yum. I kind of don't want to open it yet, but I want to see. See if I can. Oh, it's sticky on there. Okay, I'm going to save this because that's pretty fun. Okay. More. Oh, secret. Can't show you that. Can't show you that. Secret. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, how fun. That is really cool. It smells yummy. I'm gonna have to ask her like what scent she used. I know she mixes her scents, so I probably couldn't get them anywhere, nor would I want to duplicate them, but it's just, I'm just curious because they smell really lovely. Oh, look at this. How does she know that I needed this? She must be psychic. Oh, how fun. Look at that. And then on the back, it says, sumptuous soaps for the discriminating buyer with a cheeky charm in every bar. Ah, that is so fun. And just so you know, this is a picture of her actual goat. She puts goat milk in her soaps. I'm excited. Okay, let's see what else. And you know what else? I just had minor fail a while ago, and I thought I would save it and see if I could pull some soap dough out of these bars of soap, and it was like, no, that's not gonna work. So I just cut them up, and now I have like a loaf of, which would be 2 pounds for me, so about 6 bars of white soap, and plain. And I don't know, these are so cool. I love these molds. Like, this shape is pretty cool. Now I haven't used it in the shower, but it is pretty cool. Okay, so this is Cheeky Goat Soapery. Let's see. Is there a scent on here? Nope, but it smells nice. Okay. I think I have to open this one here. Let's see. And even barcodes. That's pretty fancy. Yes, hon, if you could bring me some scissors. That's very fancy right there. Fancy.
Scissors or knife?
Scissors I think I'll do, and then I won't cut myself. Thank you. So.
Oh, that does smell good.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
All of it. So I watched one of Whitney's videos. Well, I've watched a bunch of them, but I watched one of them where she was talking about how she blends a lot of her fragrances, which is awesome because especially if you make stuff that people like, then they can't get it anywhere else but you know? Oh, wow. Look at that. So thank you, Whitney, very, very much. You know, I wanted this bar particular for a lot of different reasons. A lot of reasons. But this is Whitney's creation. Look at those bats and the cat and the moon. Yes, I'm going to take lots of pictures of this because I just think this is awesome. And see, it goes, just so you know, for people that aren't in the soap world, these little pieces of, these are all cold processed soap. It's all handmade soap. So she's cultivated a recipe, she puts it all together, mixes it. That's a whole nother story for another day. But then these are also soap, cold processed soap right there, those little bats. That cat, that's cold processed soap. Look at that, the gradation of that pumpkin. That's so nice. Okay, I'm totally soap geeking and fanning over this. So let's go on. There's more stuff in here. Can you believe it? This is like a bonanza. How fun. Look at that. Quite yum. That's very yum too. I'll tell you if I think something's not yum. Not so much. What did you say one day when we were doing a video? You said, what was it? We did a blooper of it. I can't remember. We both blamed the dog.
Smelt?
Smelt! S-M-E-L-T. Not smelled. Smelt.
Smelt.
Look at that. Look at that. I know. I have to open it. This is Candy Corn Kitty. It's okay. It's okay. Definitely. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't see any ethically sourced raw silk, sugar, micas. Ooh, let me see if I could do this without marring the soap because I don't want to do that. I don't think I can get under there at this moment. Oh yes, I can. Okay. Okay, so as much as I love the label, I want to see this soap in person. Look at that. Again, all handmade soap. Look at candy corn. Well done. Little hat. Well done. Very nice pour. Colors are beautiful. I watched this video, by the way. I remember when she did that. It does smell good over here. Shut up! Look at that. No label. I'm going to pull the label off right now. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You guys. Okay, so there's little pumpkins here. This is a different type of handmade caning pumpkin. The gradation of that, the detail of that, phenomenal. I think these are supposed to, I don't know. They look like ice cream cones to me. So I think they're supposed to be ice cream cones. Clearly those are bats. Clearly. Clearly. That is so cool. And that is a hefty bar of soap. Look at that. It smells like candy corn to me. It smells kind of sweet. Yum. Look at that. I know, I said it already, but good grief, look at the work that went into that. That is phenomenal. Okay, I will continue on because there's more. Let's see how much more. One more. And each one's in a bag. I don't know how you do everything you're doing, Whitney. I really do not know that. You have a very busy day. Oh, this is the one that I really, really want. I mean, I wanted all of these, but this is the one that I really, really wanted. Okay. Okay. This one. This is the little tortured souls in here. You see this, Jeff? And there's snakes on top. Not snakes, sorry, octopus legs. So Whitney said she learned better. These are really cool. I think she used a mold for this. But then, I don't know if she and I were talking about it or I was just on the same page. And then I made a video for the octopus legs. And which is probably a good backup if you don't have a mold. But this is the mold and those are really cool. Look at that. I watched the video for this one too. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
And it smells so yum. Holy cow. This one just smells like, to me, like proper soap. Like it clean and fresh, you know? But just a little hint of mystery. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So there you go. That was my surprise for today. And this does not happen every day and is a stellar, stellar day, I have to tell you. And yes, I'm going to take a ton of pictures of all these soaps because it's so fun to me. And I got a little message on the inside of here. So Whitney, if you watch this, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all this. And, oh, I have so much more I want to share, but I can't right now because there's just surprises that are happening and I'll let you know as soon as I can share them. So thank you for this. And if you get a chance, go over to Cheeky Goat and take a look at her soaps and scoop them up because they're really awesome and unique and stellar, stellar, stellar soaps. So thank you. Thank you for watching. And I hope this like maybe brightened your day or gave you something to think about or just was a break in the boredom. So, okay, bye.